So over here you can see that I have an image, and what I want to do is I want to create a multiple copy of the image just like this by pressing Ctrl C and V right over here. So what I want to do is I want to replace out images right here. So the first one is fine. Let's go to the second one. I'm going to go to replace image option right here, and I get the same option as you would while you're uploading the images. So I'm just going to go to photos now, and then I'm going to choose this picture right here. Click on replace and the image will be replaced over there. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go to replace image. In this case, I'm going to go to Drive right here, and in Drive I got the same pictures over here. Okay, I got TutorTube logo, so I'm just going to replace it out with that right here. I can go over here, go on to replace image. I can also replace by URL or by camera or by searching in the web right here. So I'm just going to go around on to search for images, and I'm going to say scenery right here, just like this. And then once I do that, I can just replace out the image right over here. I can click on it, replace it, and it'll be replaced right here. So let's just replace these as well. So replace image just like this. Let's go to photos, replace it with this one, and go to replace image, and then go to photos right here, replace it with this one, just like this. So let's just replace out the images just like this. Even this one, let's just replace the photo out by choosing this one right over here. And then now you can see that all of the image has been replaced, and you have preserved the formatting as well. That is, you have the border over there as well. And that is how you can use the replace image option inside of your Google Docs document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.